Mama's Village Life in my YouTube channel. I relax in here in the forest of the church here in third day. So tea planting, and there is the bananas in here, and the cow, and the trees like avocado. And here is the house. The house now. Now here is the house. Now here is the small forest. Small forest. And here is the church in the inside of the forest.